welcome back. Or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lisa. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I wanted to share with you just one little item. If you saw my recent video, you guys know I did a little bit of quarantine shopping, and this is actually the result of a little bit more quarantine shopping. So anyway, it's nothing big, but I still wanted to share it with you guys. So this one I actually purchased from Saks, as you can tell by the title of this video. It's from Dior, and in that other video I mentioned that I purchased another Dior item that I wanted to share with you guys when it finally came, and it actually came today. So this one came from Saks. It did not come from the Dior online website. Everything is still closed here in LA, so have to order online. They didn't have this. It was all sold out on the Dior website. So I went to a personal shopper friend that I have named Eddie, sorry, and he actually got these for me from Saks. And it doesn't come with the nice fancy Dior with the ribbon and the star and all of that stuff that I love, but anyway, it does come with the Dior box. So let's see. I'm not sure if I'm even gonna like this item. I just kind of hit me like I wanted this item kind of at the last minute, or I don't know. I can't explain it. But anyway, let's see. Okay, so, oh, sorry, I just tossed the stuff. Anyway, here you go. Has some dust bags, so we can already tell what they are by the, dust bags. So these have gray dust bags. The other ones were white with gold lettering on them. These are gray with white, but still nice, high quality dust bags. And inside, here's what we have. Yes, they are another pair of slides. Let's see. Okay. Wow, these are extra. So if you know me, or what my husband's nickname for me is, Extra, and yeah, these are a little bit extra. So I don't know if I really love them. I actually like the Dior, so they actually have like these pearls surrounded by gold, and they just say Dior, so they are nice and extra. I don't know, I actually like that part, but what I didn't realize, I know that these are all black, but these are kind of like the other ones I have. What did I do with them? Maybe I'll have to get them. Wait, let me go get them really quick. Sorry, I'm back. Okay, so here are the other Dior slides that I recently purchased. These are the Dway slides, and the footbed is actually leather covered, and for some reason I thought that these would be the same, but it's actually more like a plastic, like kind of like a, I don't know, kind of like a beach sandal or a thong type of situation going on here. So I wasn't really expecting that. This part right here is actually, looks like it's covered in leather. So, but this part is actually like thong, like plastic material. And how much did these cost? Where did those feet go? Let's see. So these are actually more expensive than these. These were $6.90, I believe, or were they $6.50? One of the two. And these were actually $7.90. So they're like $100 more. And yeah, so anyway, they say Christian Dior Paris here on the footbed. And here you have Dior in these little pearls surrounded by like this gold metal around each letter. And there's the other one together. And then the bottom has the Dior. Says made in Italy, has the size, which I got a 37, and the star on it, and there you go. So the bottom is actually like the rubber. So it's, yeah, like a rubber, not plastic, but I guess rubber. So I wasn't really expecting that. So they're kind of more like a, I don't know, just kind of seems like more casual. And I didn't really know that, but anyway, let's see how they fit. I don't know if I'm actually going to keep them. I know, I might. I'll have to show you guys what they actually look like on my feet. But they do fit perfectly. I don't know. I might keep them. I don't know. I'm going to think about it. They feel right now kind of stiff right here. And I guess because they have these letters too, but I don't know. I have to play around with them, walk a little bit in them, and show you guys how they look on my feet, and maybe you guys can help me decide if I should keep them. But anyway, these are my new, maybe mine. I might send them back. I don't know. Not totally sure yet. They're called the Dior Revolution slides. Here is the numbers on the box. Also comes with this little care card, and now that I'm actually just kind of reading this, it says we recommend that you do not wear your shoes more than 2 consecutive days. Really? Before storing them in their pouch, clean them with a soft and dry cloth. Keep them in a dry and cold place to avoid as much as possible contact with alcohol, greasy, and abrasive products as they alter the quality of the leather. Change the top lifts of your shoes before they are too worn so that the heel is not altered. Interesting. But anyway, don't wear them more than 2 days in a row. Okay. Yeah. Here's a little tag on the shoe. So here's how they're looking on my feet. These are a little tighter than the Dway slides, but they're tighter across the top of my foot right here. Actually, when I tried to take a few steps, like I couldn't see myself walking in these for a long period of time just because right here, like in the front, digs into my toe. Like this part right here, it's kind of stiff, and when you go like that, this part digs into your foot, and this front part over your big toe digs right into your big toe. So that's uncomfortable. I don't know how much that would loosen up because, like I said, this is rubber and it's kind of like locked in because there's metal surrounding all the letters. So like metal is obviously not going to stretch or move. Same thing on this foot, like it digs into my big toe, so that's uncomfortable. I would literally probably have bruises on my toes, or at least the big toe. So I don't know, guys, nobody wants that. And this part on the heel, at least on the left shoe for some reason, like right under the heel right here, just feels hard. These are definitely not walking shoes. Like, you could sit at the pool, but I don't want to pay a whole bunch of money to have some shoes just to sit at the pool. Now, to walk in them for a long time, I think my heel would be hurting. Maybe after a while they would soften up a little bit, or my feet would get used to them. But this front part digging into my big toe and over my foot right here is basically a no-go. So yeah, unfortunately. So these are a little tighter across the top of my foot here. So I kind of put my finger here, but here is pretty tight. Like, I can't really put a finger right here. A little bit more toward that side, not that side. And here it's a little tight. Because they have like this metal right here, this obviously doesn't bend. So it's kind of like your toes are kind of locked here. And like this part is kind of stiff. Like, it's not gonna be flexible because there's metal on here. This is actually like surrounded by metal, like the little gold parts around the pearls. So like when you lift your foot up like this part kind of digs into your foot. So I would suggest maybe putting like those little strips of padding that you can put in your shoes on the straps, those little thin ones. But I don't know, I'm not completely sold. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. They're okay, but not totally in love. And like I said, I thought they were leather. Yeah, they're not, so. So, like I said, not really totally in love with them, or I don't know. But anyway, we'll see. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I would really appreciate any comments, suggestions, thoughts, whatever. I'm not going to be offended. So let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button and the little bell icon below, so you'll be notified each time I happen to upload a video here. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Have an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.